Hello and welcome to my presentation. In this very short video, I will look at the abstract factory design. So firstly, let's take a look at the definition. So basically, an abstract factory design pattern is a type of creational pattern that constructs and creates something. It is useful in solving problems which are associated with architecture of objects. So basically in scenarios where we need to create objects without exposing the logic to the client. What this means is that you don't need to call the class constructor. Instead, what you just do is you call the instance of whatever objects you need. So when do we ever use this pattern? This pattern is useful when we need users to be independent of how the objects are created, but at the same time without letting them know the intricacy of how the objects are created. And we do this by providing them with just the get method. It is also useful when we need a system to be configured with one of multiple families of products. So let's take a look at the benefits of this pattern. One of the benefits will include an increase in design and runtime flexibility, because it centralizes the place of defining new objects, and this also means that it isolates concrete classes from their creation. So now let's take a look at an example. So here we have an operating system superclass, and it has a public string method, and the operating system is extended by three classes, namely the Windows, the OS, and the Linux. So the Windows class will return the interface method and return Windows 10. Same for OS and Linux. So as per abstract factory design, the pattern will allow us to use the get method so that we can get the objects of subclasses, and we have to write an OS factory in which we have a get OS method in order to display whichever operating system we need to display to the client. Thank you.